The Rastaman fish in progress. Now the rundown sauce. Yeah. And the wickedest thing this will come on the scene, you know? Moshas Reggae Lounge. Alright, family, Moshas again. Listen, I just doing everything I do. I want to say this. Everything I do, people copy. And everything I do, I have to kind of keep it under the cover. That fish was a special fish. Only when the people come, I tell them. I call it the Rastaman fish for now. But hear this. Everything. I see people coming here taking pictures of my business, of the color scheme. And next thing you know, I see business with the same color, calling themselves Jamaican, whatever it is. But I got two lovely people that came specially here for my food. They ordered the jerk chicken. They've been waiting for a little while for the food because the food takes a minute. So I'm going to introduce them and let them tell you how they like the food. First of all, let's start with the beautiful lady. What is your name, my love?
Mama Susie.
Mama Susie. You hear that, guys? She's not playing around. Can you tell us how you like the chicken? This is your first time here?
No.
You've been in my place,
yes.
in my Moshas, yes.
Came highly recommended.
Yes.
And we waited a while, and it's worth the wait.
Thank you for that. So people need to know.
Caliente, bastante,
Pero bueno.
Yeah.
Yeah, she likes it. And this is her husband. He's going to introduce himself and tell you what he thinks.
Hello. I'm Gary from Connecticut.
Yes.
And I must say that you prepare this with excellent flavors.
Yes, thank you.
Good technique.
Thank you very much.
And I can tell from you,
Yes.
you put love in it.
Yeah, oh wow, you know, everybody say that. Everybody say that. And I'm glad to hear you express that without me telling you.
So I recommend, if you love nice, authentic
Yes.
Jamaican jerk, here is where you dine.
Thank you.
Right
Here, yes. With Moshas.
With Moja.
I really appreciate that. This is the jerk chicken they're having. And as he tells you, this is authentic. The minimum wait is 1 hour, depend, because I cook the food and I do it the way I know. A lot of people, they don't want to wait, but I really don't care. Your money is okay, I need it, but I really don't care about your money. This is what I care about. You see that? You hear what they say? When I get people like this, they built in stone. You can never take them away from me. Okay? Guys, I appreciate it. And thank you very much, Gary.
You're welcome.
God bless. So guys, this is exactly what I'm trying to say. All the people that are copying, making Jamaican food, if you want to go and do some fast food and do your thing and listen to the people talk a lot of nonsense about Moshas and this and that. This is my little buddy Chino. He works with me a little bit. So if you want to go and deal with that, then that's fine. I don't have a problem. But I kind of recommend that when you come to this country, you try different food. Don't just sit in one place and go to the same place every day, because you will never experience what these people are talking about. There may be other people in this beach or in this country or in Sosua that cooks excellent food and you will never know because you follow the crowd. And remember this. Don't be like the crow, like the vulture. Okay? Because they say where dead bodies are, there do vultures flock. Okay? Be like the eagle. When you find the eagle, you find him one at a time. And they don't flock together. Okay? And treat people the way you would like them to treat you, and the world would be a better place. Don't treat people like garbage, disrespecting people. In Jamaica, in my culture, respect is a big thing. You understand? Respect is a big thing. So watch it now. You see that? If you don't respect people in Jamaica or respect people, you will never in a million years reach anywhere, and you might even lose your life. So that is my motto. Just be good to people, help people, and be as nice as you can. Don't try to put negative energy into anything, especially when people are criticizing and talking about other people. Don't get involved in that. Let them do the talking, and you just sit down and listen. And people, you see criticizing and talking bad about other people, stay away from those people, because I guarantee you, if you want to know how they really feel about you, make them angry. If you really want to know how people feel about you, make people angry. So watch this now. Moshas Reggae Lounge. Peace and love. Boom, shack attack.